Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to tell you a very important thing. Especially this is for the youngsters, those who have recently completed technical graduation, whether boy or a girl. Once you completed your BE degree, BTech degree or equivalent with 60% and above, you are eligible to join in Indian Army as an officer in the technical graduation entry. Technical graduation entry is having multiple benefits. Day one, when you thought of joining in the Indian Army, onward, the benefit starts. What you know? All other boys, those who are completed the graduation, they are supposed to undergo UPSC entrance examination, written examination, whereas not you. You will be directly called for the SSB interview. SSB interview. SSB interview is 4 days interview. 5th day will be the result announcing day. This is very tough. In India, there are 5 places. There, your qualities are checked. Your qualities are checked by the different expertise, right from the psychologist to the personality analyzing expertise. So, first day screening, then psychology test, then GTO, group testing officers test, then face-to-face interview with the chairman. The last day, result announced. For this interview, all other candidates will be called for after they qualified the written examination through UPSC. Whereas you technical graduates are not required to undergo written examination. So this is the first benefit, first day when you thought, right, how to go about it, I tell you. During your final year degree, the technical graduation, final year engineering, you can apply for this. Online, you have to fill up the application. Once the application is accepted by the Army headquarters, you will be called for SSB interview. There will be a very detailed letter. What are the things you are supposed to bring? All those things. For going and coming by train, they will be given ticket, means equivalent to fare. Right. Fine. Once you are selected by SSB, you will be sent for the training. You know how long the training will be? 1 year training. Whereas other category like NDA, there is including their studies, etc., total 4 years. And age criteria also different. For you, the age criteria is 27 years. Before completion of 27th year, you are supposed to report the academy for the training. Fine. This is second advantage. Once you are selected, after your training, you will be given lieutenant rank. After you posted to the unit, you have to serve 2 years to become a captain. Whereas other officers, they need to serve 3 years to become a captain. Likewise, from captain to major, again, the total service after your training supposed to be 6 years for other officers. For you, 5 years. And from major to lieutenant colonel, for other officers, from the date of your passing up from the academy, that is after completion of your training, 13 years. For you, 12 years. This is called anti-seniority. Anti-seniority benefit you are being given as because of your technical graduation. Right. Around 2 to 3 years of service, maybe after captain, you maybe 2 to 3 years of service, you will be called sometime 4 5 years. Sorry, not 2 to 3 years. After 5 years or so, you will be sent for MTech. MTech of your choice, and there will be very prominent and standard institutes in India, IITs. Okay, fine. These are the advantages for the technical graduates. Please make use of it. There are lot of boys and girls, they got through and they have done their engineering graduation with good percentage of marks, but they do not know how to go about and how to make use of this opportunity. Also, there are boys and girls from a slightly rural area, their power of expression in English is very, very poor. For that, you have to improve your English knowledge. You keep talking to your friends or anybody else in English and watch the English news and read English books and magazines and newspaper and come out whatever the feelings and the thought you have got, express it in English. Okay, so parallelly you have to develop your personality. Personality means there are certain qualities right from your personal appearance. That is, from morning onward you have to start doing your exercise. After your graduation you must be sitting at home idly, so tend to put on lot of weight. To avoid that, you have to go for a run in the morning, then some physical exercise, yoga if at all possible, and think positive and do social work wherever you belong to. Like that, you have to improve your personal qualities. Actually, in the SSB, personal qualities are being checked. Once you are called for the interview, there will be no written examination at all in the SSB. There are only qualities 4 days. 4 days they will check you, your officer-like qualities. So, my dear boys and girls, please make use of this opportunity. Once you cleared the SSB and done your training, your entire life is changed. Your fate you can change. So, think today, take decision, fill up your form online for the technical graduates entry. Fine. Any doubts about it, please call me 9632 777 That's all today. I will meet you all with new topics after some time. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.